action.
All right, so we had the direct digital radiography with the TFT. Alana, me, and Mark served the group. So I'm going to talk about the coupling and capturing elements. So amorphous selenium is used in the DR process in which X-rays are converted directly into an electronical signal. So we don't use a centiliter in this, but it's directly converted. So amorphous selenium is both the capture and coupling element and direct digital radiography. It is approximately 200 micrometers and is sandwiched between charged electrodes, and a created charge is collected by a storage capacitor and remains there until the signal is read by the switching action. So pretty basic and simple. It's just what's used for conversion.
Alright.
Accurate.
Yeah. This is the matrix array of a thin film transistor in direct digital radiography. This is a pixel element, also known as DELS. Each DELS has a photodetector, a thin film transistor, and a storage capacitor. The storage capacitor is made of amorphous silicons. It stores the electrical charge generated by the detector and releases once it's triggered by the TFT. If the storage capacitor fails, it can cause missing rows, columns, and distortion on the final image. And if there's too many failed storage capacitors, they usually replace the whole matrix. And yeah, that's it.
And then I have the collecting element, the TFT. And with the TFT, like Mark was talking about in the storage capacitor, a storage capacitor fills up with the energy, and then after that, it waits until the TFT gives the switching action, and it gets sent over to the TFT, and after the TFT, it gets sent over to the ADC. And with that, that's really all there is to that, but with how this works, if anything happened in the system, like anything broke down, anything like that, you end up having to replace the whole panel. That's the reason why direct is not always commonly used, and general radiography, it's not really it's not convenient. It's super expensive. We only basically use it in mammo because of the high spatial resolution, and that's kind of it with it. But then we have another TFT in a sense. So this is like the TFT, that amorphous selenium is the top part that's red, and then his storage capacitors here, and then this is just supposed to be like the X-ray photons going down through. That's it.